Welcome to InvestingRamp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. Today I'll answer a question: is the Coca-Cola stock still a great dividend stock for ramping up our investments? Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Let's go. You guessed it, I do think that the Coca-Cola stock is one of the greatest compounding machines, so let me show you why I think so. First, Coca-Cola not only ships great beverages, the company has achieved the esteemed status of a Dividend King, the exclusive club of companies that have increased their dividends for at least 50 consecutive years. Coca-Cola stands among the selected few giant companies we all know, like Procter & Gamble, Walmart, and S&P Global, that have achieved this remarkable feat and are here to stay. This gives me a peace of mind every time I buy another share of Coca-Cola or SCHD, which also invests in the company. Second reason why it's a good investment. Coca-Cola's commitment to shareholders is evident with a current dividend rate at 3.1% and 4.2% average increases over the past 5 years. Juicy, right? Don't get me wrong, there are definitely higher dividend payers out there, but Coca-Cola's sustained growth shows its ability to navigate through various market conditions, like COVID pandemic, and still keep increasing dividends. Third reason. Great diversification. Despite trimming total number of master brands down from 400 during pandemic, Coca-Cola has more than 200 recognizable brands like Fanta, Sprite, and Dasani in its portfolio across more than 200 countries. Did you know that company sold over 32 billion cans in 2022 alone? This speaks volume to its iconic brand that transcends time, making it one of the most valuable and enduring brands in the world. I also like that largest investors, like Warren Buffett, who drinks the beverage every day, keep staying heavily invested into the Coca-Cola's iconic brand since 1980s, making it attractive for investors like us who seek stability and long-term growth. As in my few other videos, let's look closer to the compounding magic if we to invest $10,000 in Coca-Cola for 10 years. I'm using MarketBeat calculator. Choose $10,000, no extra contributions, current 3.1% dividend yield, 4.2% dividend growth, for 10 years, turn drip on, and see how $310 annual dividends grow into $500 plus and yield on cost jumps to 5.6% if you just wait. All in all, a long-term investor cannot go wrong with Coca-Cola. Do you agree? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check my other videos on investing, and as always, let the compounding force be with you.